The crew of the North Star is in downtown Grand Rapids, Michigan, right along the Grand River. We are here at the 81st Grand Rapids Boat Show getting fired up and counting down the days until launch of the 2026 boating season. Follow us inside as we take a look around and check out what's new. Let's see what 30 grand gets you, meet the Wallstrom Marine team and the queen of the show, and even catch some wild entertainment, all while we gear up for another unforgettable Great Lakes boating season. Let's go.
We are at the Grand Rapids Boat Show, and right now I am aboard the Pursuit S428. I have Robert here with me, and he was nice enough to answer a few questions. So the first question I have for you is, I heard this was like the queen of the Grand Rapids Boat Show. What are some key specs, and why is it considered the queen?
Sure. This is the largest boat here in Grand Rapids. That's why it got the Queen of the Show designation. This boat is powered by 4 Yamaha 450 horsepower. The boat will cruise right around 38 to 40 miles an hour with a top speed of 60 miles per hour. A couple of key features of the boat is it's built for fishing, but it has a lot of pleasure boat features. So it has a grill, it has 3 refrigerators, it has 2 rows of helm seats, it has a large, deep, safe bow, it has a cabin that's convertible for dining or sleeping, and it has a casting platform that works pretty good for a swim platform as well.
Cool, that's really cool. If you're looking for more of the cruising style, what type of boats would you go to?
In the Pursuit line, you would want to look at a Pursuit Offshore. They make them in 32, 35, 40, and 44. They're great for cruising or fishing. Also from Regal Boats, they make a coupe series in a 36, 38, and 42 feet. In the Great Lakes, Tierra Yachts is right here in West Michigan in Holland. They make boats in for cruising in the 43, 48, 54, and 60.
Cool. How would you say this boat does on like Great Lakes weather conditions, even if it's like one of the bigger swell days?
This boat would bring a smile to anybody's face on those days where it's really windy and big waves. I've run this boat in 5 to 10 foot waves on Lake Michigan up near Charlevoix, and it's a very dry ride, but also a very fun ride. Yeah. That's cool.
If you're going to purchase this boat, where would you look for?
You can go to wallstrom.com, or you can call me directly at 231-881-6306. I'm the Great Lakes Pursuit guy.
Hey, thank you very much for taking time to do this.
Welcome. Yep, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Robert from Wallstrom Marine.
And I'm Alden from North Star Boating. And this is what $1.5 million will get you. Okay, so not all of us are shopping in the $1 million aisle. We've seen what $1.5 million gets you. But what if your budget is more like 30 grand? Let's go find out.
Yes, it's showtime. Welcome everyone to Twiggy's area here at the Grand Rapids Boat Show. My name is Chuck Best Jr.
Twiggy is a famous water skiing squirrel who has been entertaining crowds since the late 1970s. She skis on tiny custom skis while being pulled by a small remote control boat, wearing her signature little life jacket.
Two more. There you go. Oh no. We almost wrecked. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Here she goes. Last lap, right? You gonna do it? You gonna do it? Yes? Here we go. Go, one more. No. What are you doing? Now watch her feet on this last lap. Oh yeah, she knows. She's excited. Here it comes. Go faster, Mom. Go faster, Mom. There you go. Give her a round of applause.
Another cool part of the boat show was getting the chance to check out the dive tank. The program was offered by Great Lakes Dive Locker, and they were generous enough to provide the experience completely free. Dad got to go in, and we were all excited to see what it was like. Before the video ends, I've got a few big shout-outs to give. First, huge thank you to Robert at Wallstrom Marine for taking time out of his day for an interview. That was my first interview ever. Also, shout out to Chuck Best Jr. and Twiggy the water skiing squirrel for putting on such a great show. That was a lot of fun to watch. Thank you to Great Lakes Dive Locker for offering such an amazing experience in the dive tank. And finally, a big thank you to everyone who makes the Grand Rapids Boat Show possible. All the organizers, staff, and crew working behind the scenes. We appreciate all the hard work. Stay tuned for next week as we go back to our summer footage and take a trip on the North Star down to St. Joseph, Michigan. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.